The Creative Mark Midnight Black opaque media pads come in 9x12 with 50 sheets that have a perforated edge, so you can easily tear out your artwork. The stark black makes it a perfect background to showcase your most vibrant colors. It works great with really vibrant pastels, like I have over here. Or even jelly pens. And it doesn't stop there. You can use an assortment of different media, and I'll show you some examples. And as you can see, whenever you paint on this black paper, your subject matter really pops. Creative Mark Midnight Black opaque media pads are an exciting way to have even more fun with your art.